What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J392 coming back at you with another one, man. As you can see, I'm doing a quick unboxing of my new camera. That's my new laptop I went and bought. Acer gaming laptop. And I went to Amazon and got this PowerShot G7X Mark II, man. Watched a bunch of videos before I went and bought this. I noticed there's a lot of YouTubers using it. But as you can see, I went and bought the bundle pack. I think it costs about $6.25 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll throw it up so y'all can see in case y'all want to go get it. Came with an HDMI cable, 6 foot, a camera case, cleaning product, extra battery that I probably will not use because I don't know what this is. Never heard of them. Most likely gonna get me another Canon battery. A high-speed card reader / writer. Oh, no, you need this. 64 gig memory card. Tripod. Favorite color too. Blue, gotta have it. And this, it's a pen, but I have no idea what it is for. Y'all know? Put it in the comments, man. Let me know, because I don't. Let's go ahead and open this up so y'all can see the camera. Can't wait to start using this. Actually been bought it, I just haven't had time to do an unboxing, man. Nice. G7X Canon. Fingerprints all over it already. But flip down screen. In case y'all want to do selfies, got that. In case you're trying to get an angle that you can't hit. Ooh, calm down. You got that. Man, this thing is bad. Like I said, I think I spent like $6.25, $6.30, something like that for the whole bundle. But you see what I got, man. You try to pay for all this separate, you're gonna spend way more than that just for the camera. Got the charging station for the batteries, power cord, a wrist strap, the actual battery. Like I said, I already opened the box, but I want to show y'all, man. Can't wait to use this. Finally something to hold my camera on. But wait, there's more. Look what I was using. Oh my god, look how small this is, y'all. Look how small this is. Yo, it's miniature, bro, but it did get the job done. I can't say that it got the job done. Super small though. This is an action camera, 4K AKSO. In case y'all want to go get that too. It's on Amazon for like 50, 60 bucks. It was worth it, but I needed to do something more. I felt like I was a little kid walking around with this, I'm not even gonna lie. Look how small it is, man. Look how it sit in my hand. I felt like I was gonna lose this. It was my first camera to start out though. You know, you gotta start somewhere. But yeah, about to end this on a good note. I got this Acer gaming laptop to do my editing on. I'll let y'all know how that worked out because this is my first time having Windows computer. I'm used to Apple, man. Everything Apple with me. I'm on the iPhone right now and I'm filming a Windows computer. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But yeah, man. New camera. Videos coming soon, so y'all can see the quality. I might do a comparison video between this Canon and the AKSO, so y'all can see the video quality. I know it's gonna be a huge difference, but I just want to see for myself. All right, man. Your boy J Starts 392 signing out. Yeah.